Welcome to another edition of Twin Cities Tile and Grout Professionals Tile Time, and we're going to show you some cleaning. Okay, we got the truck set up here. We got the drain hose that goes out there to the yard. Jared's getting the truck fired up. Got the hose going to the house, getting the water supply. Now we're going to go inside, back to the bathroom here. Jared's already pre-sprayed the shower in here. So we got the shower pre-sprayed here. Got a little bit of normal soiling going on here in the walls. We've got our edging tool right here that we start with first.